Welcome back to this YouTube channel. So last time we were about 5 minutes ago, we were doing a Raptor cutting test. About 5 minutes ago. So yeah, it cuts through metal, like thin metal this week. But yeah, the ring cutter works well too. This is like pants, seatbelt material stuff. Yeah, here, stuff. We'll be reviewing the Leatherman Raptor, Surge, Wave Plus, Micro, Style CS, some accessories like the bit driver extender and the bit kit. Also the Gerber Dime and Gerber MP600. And of course the Raptor. My overall favorite is the Surge. It's a great EDC. You'll find it extremely useful with the bit kit, extender, and clip, which is right here attached onto it. So yeah, I'm real excited. I'll talk to you guys too a little bit about our setup, but I'd like to mention that after this live stream, give us 5 minutes and we will be doing we'll try to improve the mistakes that we make on this video and do a Amazon live stream after this video, 5 minutes to set up the webcams and everything. But this is just mainly about the Surge, so let's get started. You see, I set it up like this. If you're wondering how I get stuff set up like this, I open it from them on the outside and just be really careful not to cut myself to open it up. Well, let's see here. We've got these extra large spring-loaded scissors on the outside. This razor sharp plain-edged knife. I used it to unbox a GoTrax electric scooter just yesterday, too. These are serrations here on the other side. And yeah, that's the file. If you get a closer look at that file there, it is exchangeable with a saw. So don't worry about not having a saw. Serrations right here, yeah. What I said about the clip right here. And then these are Leatherman's largest pliers with these wire cutters. This is a ruler. You just fold it up all flat and nice. This is a bit driver, so you can replace it with one of the bits from the bit kit or extend it. But with the extender, you can make a home bit kit, which is kind of what we did. Because they fit original bits in, regular sized bits in also onto the extender. But the extender also fits Leatherman bits, so that's great. And it's also kind of like this. And there's a bit that's this size, so I guess you got one of the bits already like that. And this can be, I don't know, a wrench or something up here. So yeah, it's just multi-use. No. Yeah, so you can attach all sorts of things on here. I heard some people who actually attached I think someone told me that someone attached a spoon, that somebody made a spoon go fit into here. But yeah, can opener / bottle opener with wire strippers, small flathead, big flathead, and an awl. That's it for the Leatherman Surge, my overall favorite multi-tool. Next is the #1 best-selling multi-tool, Leatherman Wave Plus. You've got small eyeglass screwdriver, though I wouldn't recommend it too much, but because the tools are a little bit hard to set up and everything's real stiff and you can cut yourself on the scissors because they fold up like that.
Oh no, what are you talking about? Wave is my favorite. It's one of my favorites. Okay?
Well, that is my opinion. I'm just saying. Look. Yeah, because sometimes I cut myself with the scissors by accident because they fold up like that, and I'm taking them out. Ouch. And it does have one of the, like people complain on the charge, see? That screw on that connects the two things together is very loose. It shakes, wiggles everywhere. That's a small eyeglass, so this is great for people who wear glasses. And this is a big flathead. Okay, on the other side, same thing. Bit driver. It's the same sized bit as on the Surge. It fits with the extension and the bit kit. Can opener, same thing. Wire stripper design. Can opener, bottle opener. Saw, plain edge knife. Pliers that kind of remind me of the PST with wire cutters that are replaceable. Saw, file. I before I had the Surge, I used the metal file a lot, but wood file. This plain edge knife. I'm pretty sure I mentioned that already. Serrations, they work real well on bread. Saw, said that again. Same thing with that ruler design on the Surge. Yeah, they're pretty similar except for the small eyeglasses and how this is on the inside. But the Surge is my favorite because scissors, I use them a lot. So for me, it'd be best to keep them on the outside. Next, we have the Leatherman Raptor. So we recently did a test on the Raptor to like cut through metal and everything. So you should check out our other video which was the one like 5 minutes before I started this one. Strap cutter, carbide glass breaker, lanyard hole, ring cutter. We just tried the ring cutter on metal. Shears, which is like the main part that cut through metal. 5 centimeter ruler, and it's folding too. On a Molly compatible hoister. Oxygen tank wrench. That's pretty good, I'd say, my opinion. And again, we will be doing a better version of this video on Amazon Live. If you do watch this video, like when I'm done, then you can find it in Recently Live. Or if you're fast enough, you might get there in the middle of the video, which is why we kind of go like, if you missed it or if you just got here, we do, yeah. But next is the Leatherman Micro, which is our newest multi-tool so far. These spring-loaded scissors here. Tweezers, Phillips flathead. That's just what I call it, because it's for Phillips, but it's kind of like a flathead. But yeah, like I said, they work too. This is a bottle opener and screwdriver all attached together. Smart design. This is a small plain edge knife, very sharp, razor sharp. Nail cleaner, you just slide them into your nails like that. Nail file and big flathead. That's it for the Leatherman Micro with the ruler here. Similar design. This style is kind of like a better version of the Micro. You have tweezers that you can take in and out. Some people complain that they get stuck, and sometimes, or maybe sometimes it's their own fault that they put it in the wrong way. But on my model, but that was on the style PS. But on my model, you can't put it in like that, which is the wrong way. So you go like that. Yeah, and go the tweezers. These tweezers helped me pull out a thorn that got stuck in my thumb before. Small plain edge knife. Basically the same Phillips design, that's flathead, but nail file, similar scissors design, and carabiner bottle opener, which is similar to the design on the Gerber dime. Please subscribe. Now let's continue. Yeah, surge check, wave check, raptor check. Oh yeah, there is the surge set that we have pulled up. It comes with here, where's my mouse here? The like actual surge, and then sheath, bit kit, extender, and the pocket clip and lanyard ring. Yeah, I'm gonna go to the tool surge. There. So this is the best multi-tool in the world, and it also has some pretty good reviews. Look at all that. 5 star, 5 star, 5 stars. Nice. 483 reviews, 22 questions and answers. I don't know, a lot of people love this thing, and then it's got so many reviews. It's the best multi-tool in the world, and it's also my favorite. A suggestion to Leatherman is to make a Leatherman Surge Plus. There's a Wave Plus, there's a Charge Plus, there's a Charge Plus ALX, there's a Charge Plus TTI, there's a Charge Plus AL, and there's a regular Charge. There was a regular Wave, now there's a Wave like this now. So, yeah, Charge Plus. Why not Surge Plus? Some designs would be tweezers that you could fit into the handle. That'd be like really handy too, because a lot of the times I end up needing some tweezers. But this is the Gerber MP600. Bottle opener, medium flathead, bigger medium flathead, small flathead, gigantic flathead. Knife, file, wood file. On the other side's a nail file. Phillips head, can opener, saw that cuts through metal. These pliers, ruler, built in the USA. These, pliers with these wire cutters that are replaceable. Let's put that back. And finally, we have bottle opener. See, it's similar to the carabiner design on the outside that opens bottles, and it's exposed on the outside when it's folded, like the style. Yeah, similar design. Plain edge knife, cleaver style. Package opener. Big flathead, like for the dime size. It's not really that big. Spring-loaded scissors, like small flathead, basically design thing. Nail file, wood file. Yeah, that's the dime with these super small, like really small, non-replaceable wire cutters, but really small spring-loaded pliers. I said not last because, extender pretty much reviewed already, but the bit kits, we just got these in two. They work real well, and they're thin enough to put in some like inner strands of paracord to make like a bit kit necklace. So that's real good. The Leatherman bit kit. They've got bits of all sizes. And these are Leatherman favorites here. See, Wave Plus, Surge, Signal. I'm planning on getting the Signal later. And then there's a Charge Plus TTI, like I mentioned earlier. So yeah, they've got all sorts of Torxes, flatheads, and these little square bits that I don't even know what are called. And Phillipses. Yeah, and they also have like a small eyeglass bit, which is like Wave. So that's pretty much it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for following if you followed. Thank you for subscribing if you subscribed. Also, a friendly reminder for those of you who missed it, we will be doing an Amazon live streaming about 5 minutes after this ends, which is right now.